How to use Meta Llama 3 AI. Head over to your web browser and type in Meta AI and click on the first link that you can see right here. It should lead you to this website, this web page basically, where you can just quickly start off and try Meta AI. So that leads me to bring up here where basically Meta AI has 6 basic prompts: one to create an idea, one for writing, one to have fun, one to imagine, one to learn something, and another is like basically support, which is something most of us use AI for, I would say. Now, one thing about Meta AI is the fact that you can either choose to log in or just simply use it without logging in. I would prefer that you guys log in instead, because that's going to keep up your chat history and your preferences alongside your usage, okay? The very first thing, let's just say we can start off by writing, make my email sound more professional. So they would be happy to help us out, giving us basic instructions, or let's just say, create me an email asking for job requirements. This is something that just came up at the top of my head. You can see, once again, you can choose to do that by logging in or logging out, because once you log in, your prompts may be used to improve AI at Meta as well. So let's just continue without logging in. We need to be able to confirm our age before they finish this up. Let's just quickly do that, and let's go ahead. So you're gonna wait for Meta AI to give you a basic sample template that you can use. Now, once you're done with this, the amazing thing that I would have is this option of imagine, where you can let AI run its imagination and sound so much more human-like visualize an alien. Let's just go with the basics. One thing, you'll have to log in to generate images, so let's just stick with the conversation aspect and let's clear something up. Amazing thing about Meta 3 Llama is the fact that they have access to real-time information. So let's just say, let's ask them what happened today at the foreign exchange of Libya. Let's just put that in. So it's searching everything on the internet and it's providing you with information like that. This is information in the real time. You can also ask the sources and also view the foreign exchange currency of Libya today. And you can also, rate the responses right here. So all in all, you can just basically use Meta Llama 3 in any way that you like. Anything that you'd like to ask Meta Llama or start up a new conversation, you can do all of that. You can use it to learn something new. You can use it to imagine and create visually pleasing images. You can also ask it to play 90s music trivia. Let's just go ahead and do that as well. So here they're just basically asking you a fun question: that which 1995 album by Oasis became a critical commercial success? So you get the deal, right? This is how you use Meta Llama 3. It's super easy, super fun. All you have to do is write down prompts. So anybody who's familiar with the interface of OpenAI or ChatGPT can basically use Meta AI as well.